Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you on how to add Amazon affiliate links on TikTok bio. So here guys, you need to have your own link for your products. So here, you need to create your link tree and then for you to copy the link. And then going back to your TikTok account, you just need to edit your profile here. So as you can see here, it is important for you to have a business account about your TikTok account. And in here, you can now edit your profile here. And then what you need to do here is you just need to add your link that we copied a while ago to just paste it on your bio. So you can also add some phrase here like check the link here. So after that one, you just need to paste it and just save that one. So as you can see here, you can now upload your first video here. So what you need to do here is you just need to go again to the spot where here. So as you can see here, now it is now reload and what you can see here is the link that we copied a while ago. So here you can now post something here like a content about the product that you've got from the Amazon and then you just need to make a creative video about the product and here you just need to add some caption in the post about for example so that is link on my bio for that they will visit your account and then see the link so it is important to remind them that it is a product that came from Amazon and then here is an example of a content guys that have here for example to that one is this as you can see here you'll be able to see here that the caption is check the bio for the link. So that's how you add Amazon affiliate links on TikTok bio. Don't forget to like this video for more tips.